Hi Colorado, this is Clee Crocker, your home appliance guy. Today I'm back at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom and I want to talk to you about how to select the right microwave for your kitchen. So there are differences in microwaves. A lot of people think they're all the same. All they want is the ones that will just heat up coffee, tell the time, and that's it. Sometimes they even want to splurge and get the microwave that says add 30 seconds. But you know, there's a lot of differences in microwaves that people don't understand. First of all, there's a size. You have the countertop microwaves, which I don't think we have any over here, but those can be any size for the countertop. Mostly though, what we sell here is the over-the-range microwave. And those microwaves are generally 30 inches wide. Those microwaves are made to match the width of the range below it. So you have one unified look. In fact, it would be very difficult for you to find any other size other than a 30-inch wide microwave for over the range. Now, the really cool thing is there are three types of microwaves that you would look for. The first one, and the least expensive, is the kind of microwave that I just described, where you can do some basic cooking, but it's basically the time that you put in and it heats up and it cooks your food. The other kind is what we call a sensor microwave. Now, sensor microwave is completely different. It actually uses the steam that's coming out of the food to let it know when it's done. So if it needs to cook some more, it'll continue to cook. If it gets done early, it'll stop cooking. Sensor microwaves are really nice for more precision and quality of food. And you'll see that on a lot of the microwaves now are sensor microwaves. And probably the highest end microwave is going to be a convection microwave. That's right, it's an actual oven inside your microwave that cooks just like your stove does. So for a lot of folks who really wanted a double oven this year, but they can't get it, what you can do instead is get you a convection microwave above it that microwaves like a normal microwave. They're sensor, like sensor microwaves, but they can also cook just like an oven. And those are really, really nice. So other differences that you would look for in microwaves that set them apart from each other is what is the wattage that the microwave is cooking at. So generally, the nice microwaves are over 1,000 watts or more. You can get them for less than that. It's not going to make too much of a big deal, but if you want to get your food cooked faster, the higher wattage will help with that. And then the last thing is the CFM power. That's the suction power that's sucking up the smoke down below it. That's really important. If you get too little of a suction power, then you might as well not have any kind of vent at all, because all that grease and nastiness is going to go back in the kitchen. But if you get enough suction power, it will clear the stove so you can actually see, and it will eliminate all that toxins and odor and the smoke that blocks your view. So that's it. That's the differences in microwaves. We sell them in almost every brand here: LG, Samsung, GE, Whirlpool, Maytag. Every brand that's known has a microwave that goes with it. So the only thing other than microwaves that you would get over a stove is the hoods. And guess what? We got that as well. So it's Black Friday time. Come on in. Everything's on sale right now.